Farewell to ChatGPT. Meet the next big AI tool transforming 10x productivity and earnings. Rocket at chat.AI. The era of ChatGPT is fading. New AI tools are the next big thing. Here is new AI tool that will transform 10x productivity and helps earn $/M. Visit http://chatdoc.com. Upload any document, including and become a master pro player. PDFs, Word docs, Markdown files, EPUBs, text files, websites, scanned files. At chat.AI. Helps you quickly find and understand information in documents. 1. Ask anything. ChatDoc can answer any question about your files in 50+ languages, and you can customize your own prompts. 2. Receive AI analysis. You can select any texts or tables and ask for an AI analysis. Analyzing a chart or table data is super impressive. 3. Chat with websites. You can even chat or summarize any website content. This is especially helpful when you're trying to read/understand website documentation. 4. Reliable AI assistant. Every response is verifiable. Click on page references/footnotes to check the accuracy of AI interpretation. 5. For students. It offers support in exam preparation, homework assistance, answering curiosities. 6. Supported by citations. Accuracy is vital. Every ChatDoc response comes with citations. Click on references or footnotes to verify the AI's interpretation. 7. Highlight texts/tables. Highlight text or tables for detailed explanations. 8. Support for multiple files. Handle multiple files and ask specific questions about each one. 9. Chat with the text content of the website. Now you can upload website URLs and chat with them without the need for any downloads. Currently, it is mainly suitable for scenarios such as help centers, user manuals, or knowledge Q&A. 10. For professionals, student and researchers. This tool can assist you with understanding legal contracts, analyzing financial reports, reading manuals, reviewing training materials. 11. API for developers. ChatDoc also offers an API feature. Extract accurate data from any file. Generate AI responses to any question. Trace AI responses to specific document sections. http://chatdoc.com/chatdoc/$API